G'day all, welcome back to Built by Chris. In this episode I'm going to do a quick shop update. I've made a few changes to the workshop and I thought I'd share them with you. Let me start with the dust extraction system. If you remember the last time, it took up a hell of a lot of space here. I've since hung everything on the wall. I've put the filter itself, hung it from the ceiling, and it takes up no room whatsoever. And I've added to it the Oneida Dust Deputy, the Super Dust Deputy. Makes it so much more efficient now, it's unbelievable. The next change I made was to the location of my clamp racks. Where they were before, it wasn't very accessible. I had to move a few things out of the way to get to them, and it was just a pain in the bum. So now I've got them over on this wall. Since I moved all the dust extraction unit over to the one side, this is where they are now, and as you can see, I can get to them nice and easy. Now the reason for the big workshop remodel was this. I bought the new Incra LS Positioning System for my table saw, and it's made my table saw a lot wider. Therefore, where it was just not working anymore. I had to move it. So I've since moved it into the middle of my workshop now. It's on wheels, so it makes it easy to do. I've put my workbench behind it as an outfeed table, and once I'm finished doing what I'm doing, all I do is just move it all up against the wall, and I've got room to park my car in again. The next change I made was for the position of this bench. This bench used to be behind me, and it used to carry a whole lot of crap on it. It was just not being used to its full potential. So I moved it over here next to the roller door. Now I don't use this roller door for driving cars in and out, so I'm not going to miss it for that reason. And I needed to make space for some new tools that I bought. I bought myself a new jointer, a new benchtop jointer, bought myself a spindle sander, and my drill press still lives where it used to live. It just makes it a lot more user-friendly this way. Last but not least, I come to the hodgepodge wall. This thing was a pain in the bum. It just carried so much crap, I had to get rid of a lot of stuff. I've applied the feng shui principle to it all, that if I wasn't going to use it within the next 6 months, it was out of here. And I moved it from where it was to where it is now. It just works a lot better where it is. And as you can see, I've still got a lot of crap on there, but it's a lot more organised. So there it is, just a quick update on my workshop. I've had to move a few things around for obvious reasons, but the way I've got it set up now, I have plenty of room around my benches. I can move around without having to trip over anything, and it works a lot better. Just a little bit of news about my channel, a little bit of an update. I finally passed 500 subscribers, and you have no idea how happy that makes me. So to all my new subscribers, thank you and welcome aboard. So with that, I'm going to finish this video. Like I said before, it's just a quick shop update. If you like what you saw, please leave a comment. If you didn't like what you saw, please leave a comment. Share my video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.